Hello, beautiful souls. Can you hear the cicadas? I love that sound. Their abundance. And it's also about your throat chakra. It's opening, which is great. And I can hear thunder rolling in the distance. So there's another cleansing taking place. I do love storms, especially storms I don't have to shovel. I'm just bringing you on a little peaceful walk. Just to have a moment of peace. Just to help regulate your nervous system. Have you been a little triggered the past week and a half, or have you noticed that you've been around people who've triggered your nervous system? You've done zero wrong. This is just showing you how you react a little different, and how you may even notice that you're reacting a little different, which is fantastic, because that's leaps and bounds in your healing. Because maybe 2 months ago you wouldn't have been able to see that, or even 2 years ago you probably may have exploded and caught, like, everything, got worse. So you're doing great. Feel the peace. There is a huge cleansing coming. You can feel it in the air. And I fully believe in you. I believe that you are exactly where you are meant to be.